In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a perfect circle using the Ellipse Select tool in Photopea. Photopea is a versatile, free online photo editing tool that works similarly to programs like Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step so you can easily follow along and create a flawless circle selection for your next project. First, let's navigate to the Photopea website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type photopea.com into the address bar, then hit enter. Once the page is loaded, you'll be greeted with a familiar interface if you've ever used other photo editing software. Photopea offers a wide array of tools and functions, all of which we can access right in our browser without any downloads. Now look towards the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find various tool icons. We're interested in locating the Ellipse Select tool. It might already be in view, but if not, click on the Select Tool area, which commonly shows the rectangle selection by default. When you see a little triangle at the bottom right of a tool icon, that means there are additional options nested within it. Click and hold, and from the drop-down, select Ellipse Select. This tool is specifically designed for creating circular or oval-shaped selections, and it'll help us make our perfect circle with ease. With the Ellipse Select tool selected, it's time to create our circle. Click and drag your mouse across the canvas to start forming your shape, but here's a quick tip to ensure your circle is perfectly round. Hold down the Shift key while you drag. This action constrains the ellipse into a perfect circle, so no matter how you move your mouse, the proportions remain constant. You can adjust the size by continuing to hold the Shift key and dragging until you reach the desired diameter. After you've let go of the mouse button, your circle will be locked into position. Now take a moment to appreciate the precision of your work. If you need to move your circle, simply ensure the selection tool is still active and click within the circle boundaries to reposition it as needed. Alternatively, if you need to adjust the size again, you can always undo any action with the simple command of Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac. With this circle now complete, you have many creative options ahead. You can fill it with color, use it as a mask, or path a text around it. Knowing how to efficiently make selections is a foundational skill in digital design, and mastering it opens up limitless creative potential. Thank you for joining me in creating a perfect circle using the Ellipse Select tool on Photopea. I hope this tutorial helps you in your future design endeavors. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials where we explore new techniques and tools. Until next time, happy designing!